Hello and welcome to the Techy Grandparent. In this video, we'll be showing you how to create an iCloud account on your Mac or PC. First, let's open your web browser and go to iCloud.com. From there, click on the Create Apple ID button in the top right corner of the page. On the next page, you'll be asked to enter your personal information, such as your first and last name, email address, and password. Make sure to enter your information correctly, as this will be used to access your iCloud account. Next, you'll be asked to provide your birth date and answer a few security questions. This information is important for verifying your identity and for recovery purposes in case you forget your password. After you've entered your information, you'll be asked to agree to the terms and conditions and then click on Create Apple ID Now. You'll receive an email to verify your email address. Simply click on the link in the email to verify and activate your iCloud account. That's it. You now have an iCloud account, and you can start using it to store and access your photos, documents, and other data from all your Apple devices. I hope this tutorial was helpful in showing you how to create an iCloud account. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials for seniors. Thanks for watching.